Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sin x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both side, and we have cosine x dx. Next, this one we change for u. This one we change for u. Cosine x dx we change for du. u that is about 2u plus u. Next, we can do about factorization by 2u. This one by u plus 1. And now we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about 8 over 2u plus 1 b over u plus 1. And now we can use about common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about u plus 1. So capital 8 multiplied by u plus 1. About this one, it is missing about 2u plus 1. So capital B multiplied by 2u plus 1. And now I need to arrange based on the terms of u. About u, we have a plus 2b. So a with number 1, b with number 1. Now we need to compare coefficients. We just have only number 1. That means a plus b equals to number 1. This one we don't have u. So this one equals to number 0. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of 8 and b. So 8 equals to number 2, b equals to negative number 1. So I will put 8 and b gone here. So 8 that is about number 2, b that is about negative number 1. So we have the final answer. About u that is about sin x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.